Hi friends, my name is Sujit Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about constructor. What is constructor and why do we need constructor? First of all, we talk about what is constructor. It is a member of class and a constructor is also known as a special method. Whenever we create any constructor, then constructor name and class name has to be same. Now we will talk about types of constructor. There are three types of constructor: default constructor, and second is user defined constructor, and third parameterized constructor. Now first we will talk about what is default constructor. Now we see that whenever we write a program and compile that compiler will check constructor is available or not in class. Whenever class does not contain user defined constructor, then compiler will generate automatically a constructor that are called default constructor. This is a constructor. It is not visible for the user. Now we will talk about user defined constructor. Whenever we write a program and define constructor manually, that are called user defined constructor. Just like I defined here manually, that are called user defined constructor. We use object for call the constructor. Whenever we write that object, then object will call the constructor, that are constructor calling. And we will talk about third, parameterized constructor. Now we see that in program, whenever we write a program and pass the parameter in constructor, just like a pass a parameter, a string name, and I will pass that argument bike1 and print that. And first we will store that in a container, that data. I'm defining here a container, a string name, and we will change here name, and I will use here this keyword. Why we use this keyword? We use this keyword for represent current calling object address. Now I'll use that this dot name equal n. Now I will print that data capital N sort name. I will check that this is printing bike1, first constructor, and second is bike1. Whenever we remove from here object, then constructor will not print. So I will use that object for call the constructor. Now we can pass multiple parameter. I will check that one more parameter int price. I will define here int price. Now I will also here change price to like 50,000. I will print that. First I will store that in container this dot price equal p, and I will use print price. Now I will check that are showing 2,50,000. This is called parameterized constructor. And now we'll talk about why do we need constructor for initialize an object. We are initializing here object in constructor. Now you can see here, just like I'm print a screen ms spent. Whenever we pass a argument, then argument will store that in price storing that, and name this bike. Thank you guys. We will discuss about in next video method and block. Bye bye.